guys, this is Katie and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So it is Vlogmas day 9, December the 8th. It is a very busy day today, guys. Back at school. We had the Monday off, so I'm back at school today. I seem to feel like I have a million things to do. Not entirely, like there's just loads of stuff to catch up on as well. We have our Christmas fair next week and I need to give the kids some time to sort that out. So we should just see how it goes. So I will vlog a little bit, but not too much. Also, by the way, my name is Katie. If you are new here, me and my husband like to vlog about our life here in Bangkok. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you hit subscribe. Guys, I hate this. So on Friday, I left early to go to take the kids to Friday night game and look at the state of my desk. And this is left on my desk from our sex education lesson. Great times, guys. Great times. I also have a pile of maths books that I need to mark this morning. Halfway through some science tests that I still need to mark. These are examples of the fiction books that they need to be making. Yeah, so let's get going, shall we? Oh, and also, because it's so hot in Thailand, half my decorations have fallen down like this. And I need to re-stick them up because the heat like melts the sellotape. So I think I might start with that, to be honest. Guys, can we just take a moment and look at the confusingness of this? Like, this is my timetable for the week. So these 2 days were off. And basically our school, because there's been loads of national holidays this term because we missed a load in term 3 last year. So the Thai government rescheduled a lot of the national holidays to be in the next few months because obviously they had to like cancel Songkran because of COVID. So anyway, long story short, we missed a load of Mondays and Fridays. So basically we missed this Monday. So today, which is a Tuesday, we're going to be using our Monday timetable, which makes this very confusing because I planned this day out as if it was a Tuesday and then I found out they were changing it. Sorry, these are just stickers. There is stuff underneath them, but they've got children's names on them. Wednesday is actually going to be a Friday timetable, not a Wednesday timetable, and then Friday is a normal Friday timetable as well. We also have random stuff going on. Today I am going to do, for my Advents, I'm going to do what does an ugly Christmas look like, and we have got some ugly sweater designs that they're going to be making, which I thought would be really, really cool to do that. So yeah, that's what we're going to do for our Christmas activity, and obviously I'll put my candy cane in there, but this is just not help. I felt so disorganized today, guys. Very disorganized. So my second lesson of the day, my kids have got languages to begin with, and then they're going to come back and finish off their fancy maps. So they wrote fancy stories, and these are connected to their stories. So now most of them are kind of done. We just need to watercolour them. So we have been doing fancy maps this morning, and this is some of them drying, and our secret Santa gifts are starting to arrive. So it's looking very Christmassy in here now. Hi guys, so it is now lunchtime. Just like that, a busy old day. So we had fancy maps this morning and they had a languages lesson, so I managed to get some work done. Then we did our reading lesson, and actually we read a bit more of Narnia, and then we did our ugly sweater designs, and the kids loved it. I will show you some examples in a minute. Then I had maths, but half of them were out doing what's this called? Music rehearsals. Half of them were out doing music rehearsals, so I ended up doing a fractions Christmas code cracker activity, which I'll show you again in a minute. And now I'm going to sit down and have my lunch. So guys, this is my pad thai lunch. I think I've mentioned before, we order food from a place called Prana, which is like vegan vegetarian food, super healthy. Well, it's not super healthy, but it's like low in calories, which is good for us. But yeah, so I'm going to enjoy this, and then I need to proofread reports. Hi guys, so I'm home now. It's actually getting on a little bit, but I have done some work. I was editing a video for Creative Travel Guide. But yeah, now I'm going to decorate this tree. I'm going to put the tree up. I'm going to get all the decorations out and decorate because I've been meaning to do this for so long. It is far too long into December before our house is decorated, so I'm going to get started. And guys, I really want to watch Home Alone. Like, I have a tradition where I watch like Home Alone every year, every Christmas. Like, sometimes while it's decorating, sometimes while it's wrapping, but they've taken it off Netflix. What is that about? Guys, maybe it's on like the American or the English Netflix. Maybe I'll use a VPN at some point to play it. But for now, I'm just going to watch The Grinch. So guys, started to do the tree, put it together. This is actually a little bit more hard work than I anticipated. So we are going to go and have some dinner and then I'll finish off the decorations. Hi guys, so it's now the evening. I'll be honest, we had some dinner and we relaxed and it's now quite late. So I'm going to finish off my tree either tomorrow or the next day. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe and I shall see you tomorrow. Bye!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a